You can watch my quick word of the day videos to increase vocabulary and improve pronunciation. My name is Mary, and I am from Canada. The two words of the day are above and below. They are opposites and often considered antonyms because they describe opposite positions or directions. They are commonly used as prepositions, adverbs, and sometimes adjectives. Please continue to the next slide to do some fill-in-the-blank practice exercises. If you like this video and the exercises, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing.